Do you want a delicious recipe for using frozen riced cauliflower? Well, here's a freezer staple recipe, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a tasty vegetable stir fry with cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's. Now, you could use any riced cauliflower, but today I'm using Trader Joe's cauliflowered rice stir fry. I'm going to show you how to use it in a different way and use just vegetable broth to make this delicious lunch dish. Let me take you in the kitchen and show you how to make it start to finish. So to get started, I use a slew of chopped ingredients like carrots, asparagus, onion, cauliflower, and corn. And so you pan fry the main vegetables for the stir fry with some olive oil in a medium-sized pan or wok on the stove on medium-high heat. And then you add fresh vegetables and cook for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. And then you add cauliflower rice and corn. I use Trader Joe's riced cauliflower stir fry, but you could use any cauliflower rice, and you stir that for 1 minute. And then you add the vegetable broth and you stir and turn the burner heat down to low, cover the pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then you add the fresh chopped kale to the cauliflower rice stir fry, take off the pan and let it simmer there on low heat until all the liquid has dissolved. And then it's time to plate and top the stir fry with fresh diced avocado and Thai basil and any other finishing touches that you'd like. Some sesame seeds would be really delicious here too. Doesn't that look so good? This is one of my staples for work from home lunch. I like to meal prep stir fries on Mondays. So I chop all the vegetables and then I have them ready to go for the rest of the week. You can check out so many other recipes here at Sip Bite Go for stir fries and Trader Joe's meals. Have you ever wondered what to do with butternut squash ravioli? This recipe for butternut squash ravioli with zucchini uses Trader Joe's ravioli to make a delicious pasta night dinner. In my video, you'll learn how to saute the zucchini and how to make a simple butter sauce to bring the whole dish together. So hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go. Join me in the kitchen to make this Trader Joe's butternut squash ravioli recipe with zucchini. So here's the gist of it. You can make the raviolis and the zucchini at the same time to save time. So you boil the raviolis while you pan fry zucchini with shallots and butter and olive oil. It all comes together so quickly. And then it turns into a butter sauce. So at the end you add a couple tablespoons of butter, add the raviolis, stir them all together, then sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Then you're done. Get the full recipe at Sip Bite Go. For more delicious ideas on what to cook for dinner, head on over to Sip Bite Go or subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube. You'll get all my latest recipes as soon as they're available. Grab the free recipe for this at sipbitego.com or subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube so you never miss one of my delicious meals. I have so many great recipes heading your way. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!